But we are in a federation. Like in American Federation, every state has a right to enact laws on punishment when it comes to state offenses. So, kidnapping and murder fall within the state offenses. And he has decided, together with the House of Assembly, to replace hanging with firing squad. What that is done, those who don't want to suffer that should not come to Edo State. So we rise to give it full support. What made diversity beautiful is when different people approach the same issue from different angles based on their own evaluation of the situation. Number two, as your senator, I supported in total President Bola Ahmed Tinubu and the government's forum decision to create state police so that instead of using vigilante with old-fashioned gun, while criminals are carrying AK-47, when we have state police, Governor Monday we have the right to buy the latest AK-49 to deal with these criminals. Whether they are in our bush, they are in our cities, they are in mechanic shop, every criminal is on notice. No more lamentation. Our bush will be safe. Our farmers will be happy. I cannot fall because I was born the day God said I would be born. So don't worry. As I did here, so I'm not there alive. I think this is important for people to understand the full logic of President Bola Ahmed Tinubu's commitment to bring real air into the concept of federation. If we are truly federal, every federation unit, every subnational government has a right to think outside the box. So there's no need pretending vigilante group, neighborhood watch. You can't be watching your neighborhood and see a man carrying AK-47 and you are watching. But when you carry AK-49, he will run. Do you understand it? You, the people of Edo North, do you back the decision?
Addition has been made that the laws of the Federation now on terrorism, anti-terrorism, all laws relating to terrorism and kidnapping, that kidnapping should be the penalty for kidnapping should be changed immediately to carry the maximum punishment of death. This has also been seconded, that henceforth, kidnapping should first be classified as a terrorist act and which should carry death penalty. Secondly, it will now carry death penalty. And like Senator Oshiomhole said, it is not up to any judge. Once the offense of kidnapping is established, the death penalty must follow. There is no discretion as to what kind of punishment should be given, that the judiciary should adhere. So let me put a question. Those in support that terrorism, no, that kidnapping should henceforth be described as a terrorist act, and that kidnapping should henceforth carry death penalty as a terrorist act in Nigeria.